Hello dear lovely students, welcome back to the class once again, and I'm really pleased that this is a wonderful opportunity for me to share something about writing. So I'm here to talk about writing task 1 to be specific today. Dr. Smart Bruce, he suggested one thing. If any reader, as an average reader, can imagine through the writing, and if it connects the reader and the contents properly, if you can visualize graph without the graph, that could be helpful for good answer. Writing data one by one is not good enough for writers. This is the expert's opinion, and that's what I do recommend you to write down as much information as you require, not all the information, based on the question format. It could be bar chart or line graph. Make sure one thing, it should function as a bridge between the writer and the reader. If you can communicate well through your lucid writing, this will pay off. Otherwise, it might be vague writing. So make sure everything concise and on topic. Never focus on the grammatical perfection while you write, because focusing on the issues might bring bad results. For example, just be more flexible. Okay, I got a point. So honestly speaking, I'm nothing here. So what I would like to suggest, I found myself at the very beginning level, it was really hard to crack the grammatical stuff down because it's really challenging. So when I discovered myself in a weak position, I focused on reading a lot. So in order to be a top-notch reader, I needed to read a lot. And eventually, at the end of the day, I found myself that I became a good writer instead of being a good reader. So both were helpful. And I would recommend one thing, always read a lot. This will help you both to read well and to write well, because you are not only reading, but also focusing on the grammatical patterns the writer writes. This will help.